Next, the major challenge what the scientists have identified, the fish does not have the ability to synthesize DHA and EPA. First, हम क्यों fish खा रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमारा body पे EPA and DHA synthesize नहीं हो रहा है. Basically, DHA is not getting synthesized in our body, right? Because for that, what do they need? They need alpha linolenic acid, which is the precursor of EPA and DHA, and this ALA, that is alpha linolenic acid, is not synthesized by the human body, and for that reason, DHA and EPA is not synthesized by the human body. For that, to overcome that, what we are doing, we are consuming the fish, right? Now the finding what they have done, fish itself is not having the ability to produce the DHA and EPA. So where from they are getting the EPA and DHA, they are getting it from microalgae. Now everybody know the food chain, right? And bacteria and fungi consumed by microalgae, microalgae consumed by macroalgae, macroalgae consumed by small fishes and crustaceans and shellfishes, and small fishes consumed by bigger fishes, and then it is consumed by the human beings. This is the food chain, right? So from where the fish is getting, the fishes are getting the DHA and EPA from microalgae. Okay, rather than their synthesizing, they don't have the ability to synthesize it. Since they have lot of microalgae, they get the EPA and DHA from whom? They get the EPA and DHA from the microalgae. So then the scientists put the second thought, instead of just taking up the fish for the production of what? Omega-3 fatty acid nutraceuticals, why can't we use microalgae? Okay, microalgae का example, right? Blue-green algae, chlorella, diatoms, dinoflagellates, everything come under the category of microalgae, right? So instead of using or utilizing fish, rather than utilizing it as a food, if you are going to utilize fish as a source of omega-3 fatty acid, since it is not having the source of omega-3 fatty acid production, and microalgae is the basic component which is giving the omega-3, scientists took their attention to whom? To microalgae, so that more amount of omega-3 fatty acids such as EPA and DHA can be exploited from whom? They can be exploited from microalgae. So microalgae currently is the alternative source of omega-3 fatty acids based nutraceutical. Okay, because it is easy to harvest. Like we can do the cultivation of macroalgae and microalgae in our laboratory. Macroalgae thoda difficult hai because marine environment ka we have to have a replicative system of the marine environment. But microalgae we can easily, blue-green algae, spirulina, diatoms, dinoflagellates, everything we can do. And microalgae is easy to harvest compared to fishes, right? Fishes में से muscles को निकालना पड़ेगा, head, viscera and everything has to be निकालना पड़ेगा. अगर microalgae है तो easily हम conical flask या fermenters में we can produce that in bulk amount and उसका processing करके directly we can extract the PUFA from it. The significance of microalgae. Microalgae is a very rich source of long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acid. 10 to 20% of the microalgal cell weight is made up of polyunsaturated fatty acid. Okay, in the microalgae, from where it is being synthesized? It is being synthesized from oleic acid. You seeing this step? The polyunsaturated fatty acid is being synthesized from the oleic acid by doing desaturation and elongation. So, oleic omega-6, right? So oleic acid is omega-6 fatty acid. So as I told you previously also, omega-3 fatty acids are derived from whom? Omega-6 fatty acid, and oleic acid is an omega-6 fatty acid. So microalgae synthesizes DHA and EPA from omega-6 fatty acids. Okay, and now this omega-3 fatty acids which are produced from microalgae, they are exploited as a source of polyunsaturated fatty acid as well as a source of what? Nutraceutical.